What's up guys, Alberto Big Boost here and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to cover a little bit more about the process that was involved in building the shop, where I got this amazing toolbox, the other toolbox back here, the air compressor, a bunch of the experiences that I went through with my friends to get this shop built to where it is today. Hope you guys enjoy this video and make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. While you guys watch this video, I'm gonna be working on the next part that I'm gonna be installing on the E36 that's inside this cool little white box. Little preview here. Some of you guys will know what this is, so stay tuned for the next video.
What are you doing, Alberto?
Using the tools. It's a lift compressor hoist.
Oh. Andrew's like, okay, it's your call.
There you
go. God. Oh God, why is it moving so much?
Alright, it's on it. It's one of those extra things that you can do once you have a lift. See, where we not had a lift, it would have been really hard trying to lift this whole thing ourselves.
How many pounds we got there? 400.
Oh no, don't say that.
Now we're gonna roll this. I think
Move the lift over there, or lift it up in the lift.
we need to put casters on the lift. The cars start moving.
Oh yeah, that could sound.
Oh God!
Whoa, whoa. Wait.
Perfect.
Another really cool item for the shop, a toolbox. So now we have one toolbox and then the little toolbox over there. Wait, that way.
There's a mosquito right there.
No. All right, Marco, do the honors. Marco got me that so I couldn't like kill all the mosquitoes.
I hope it goes off.
So every time that thing goes off, he's like, yes, I got one.
You gotta say, got him. That's what you gotta say. I just seen one right now.
Wait till it flies that way.
It's gonna get him.
Deek. So I got a new Husky Toolbox that is now, thankfully, to Florida weather, is all wet. I hit some rain on the way over here, but it made it safe that it moved because I got some new straps for the truck too, so I like tied down like a race car on the dyno. How much horsepower do you think it's gonna make?
Right.
No, I'm not gonna cut this back. Oh God.
Are you ready?
Wait.
Oh God. Está pesadita. Oh, I'm gonna drop it. No. Hold on. Okay, I'm ready to go. Wow.
Alright, well it's out in one piece. Now I gotta dry it up.
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm installing flooring.
This is not floor. That's like drawer flooring.
It's toolbox flooring. Who said Big Goose can do it all? Yeah, I can do flooring now. Look at this. Like. Now we got another project at the shop. We have some chalkboard paint this time. And we have a Sharon and a Joelle's. They already messed up this part right here, which was supposed to be like a door. So Sharon had the great idea that this would be a really nice template for a nice chalkboard. These are the chalks that Sharon got me. So they're frozen, really? They're frozen chalks. That's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm also working on the lighting on the shop. So I got 6 4-foot LED strips. These are like dual LED lamps. They're actually pretty bright. I have one there and it's literally illuminating the whole side. Okay, here.
Thank you. Can you open it, please?
Alright, here you go.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Meanwhile, I have a pretty nice mess on top of my new toolbox and the other toolbox because I'm organizing everything. Hold on, wait. Let me close this. Are you guys ready? Check this out. I spent quite a bit of time doing this, but it looks so good. And that's how far I'm into it right now. So I still got a lot of work to do, and I got a lot of more tools to fill into these drawers. I might even have to buy more tools, or not. I just don't want to have like a bunch of the same, so I might be able to now expand my tool set and get some more specialty tools and have somewhere to put them. This is the coolest part ever. Check this out. Reality versus expectations. Normal stuff that I had before and the new. Meanwhile, I'm gonna take a little time to thank my parents for coming over today and helping me out with more stuff for the shop. They actually got me a really nice new mirror microwave, and they also got me a Keurig coffee maker. So now I have snacks at the shop, I have coffee, so whenever I'm tired, like right now you can see it's almost 1 in the morning, but we're here pretty late. We're trying to get a lot done even on the weekends and during the weekdays to get this shop going, but we're making it happen. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. I love the microwave and the coffee maker. Thank you so much. Sharon already came over today and brought supplies for us, so I can't even make coffee right now. But if I drink coffee now, then I won't be able to go to sleep later. So I'll pass on that one for today. I must say I really love this Cafe Domingo coffee. It's really good and it's very light. So I got a whole jar for it at the shop. I can even get under the car shots now with this nice rolling chair. And I'm steering away. It's like I'm drifting underneath the car. Guys, I think I have a little bit of a problem with toolboxes. I ended up buying this Husky Toolbox the other day, and then now like 3 days later, here I am with Marco. We are unloading another toolbox, but this time I bought a bigger one. This is the one that I originally wanted, but it was very expensive. But luckily, Sharon saw that it was on sale today, and I ended up going over there and I snatched it up. So now we got
It was the only one on sale.
It was the only one. Check this out. This is really cool. Oh, I like that the LED like highlight the box on the bottom. Look at this. It looks really cool. So this is a 61-inch toolbox. And then it has, I don't know how many drawers, it has a whole bunch of them. It has locking on the side, locking on top, and it has a nice pegboard that I can put things, and I can also put a shop light there and illuminate what I'm working on. And then it also has outlets on the side, USB, and it even has a beer opener or bottle opener. Bottle opener.
Beer for sure.
I don't know what kind of bottle you're gonna open when it's not a beer, right?
Bro, that's for your jarritos, okay?
Jarrito, what is that?
It's a jarrito drink. What do you mean?
Oh my god, that sounds so Spanish.
It is.
Michael, remember when I told you I got some straps? I got these really nice straps from Home Depot.
Yeah.
Those are not my old straps.
You got more straps?
I forgot them at the shop over there. And then I ended up buying another set, so now I have 8 straps.
You can strap the whole world. What is this?
And it's funny that I use 4 straps to strap down the tiny box, and I only use 3.
Tenés que comprar more?
No, I have to put the dry ones in the back. The thing is that they got wet because it rained, right? So I want to like put these inside and they get all like moldy. So I put them over there to dry up, and then now I'll put the dry ones in the truck and I'll put the wet ones to dry where the old ones were. Meanwhile, I have a fully automatic coffee maker over there. You should try one of those fancy coffees.
No, it's 10:30 p.m. And
Really?
You're making coffee.
That was Sharon.
Do you plan to sleep?
I had to drink coffee before going over here.
I have Roomba at 12.
Oh, that
I do my show.
Yeah, I needed some coffee because I just got out of Adams, and then I have to come over here to unload the box somehow. I bet we're not gonna be able to do it. This thing is heavy, guys. This is seriously heavy. I have no idea how Marco and I are gonna by ourselves unload this thing.
You told me about this. I thought it was gonna be like the other one.
No.
Can we take the drawers out?
What?
Take the drawers out, get some weight off of it.
I didn't thought about that, but maybe it might help.
Actually super worried right now.
I'm not sure.
Mine was too. Here goes the edge of the drawer.
You can pick it up by yourself. Just a gasket.
Alright, wait. Hold it. No, the truck bed. Ready? Ready?
Oh, it's balanced.
Nice, boys. Nice.
Here it goes. There's the weight.
There you go. Bravo.
I just need drawers.
So like pantalones or like underneath your pants, yours?
Pantaleta.
New toolbox is assembled, all cleaned up. Other than a few little like dings, this small little ding here. It has a little red paint transfer from an old toolbox. I think they sell Milwaukee toolboxes, and maybe one of those scratched this one. And it's a little tiny little chip here, and that's it. Because of that, it's kind of $200 off from this thing. It's really cool. Also, I can't get over this. Look at this. So you open the drawer, has a Husky logo, then you slam it. And no matter how much you slam it, it always closes gently. You throw it slowly, and it still closes gently.
This is like from 2009, but we just discovered it. Okay, guys, I'm sorry.
I couldn't afford this back in 2009, okay? This is now when I'm able to afford this.
Go throw that over there.
I tried the same thing, so I have this one. And I was like, oh, Marco, look at how nice I made my drawers look. And then I go like, oh my God, I just gently threw it. Like, I'll try a little bit harder, see if it works. Ah, no. I think I already found a home to finally start putting all of my Permatex stuff. So I have this new stuff, is Seal and Lock from Permatex, which is really cool. It's thread sealant with blue thread locker built in, so you can use it for locking threads or to seal threads, or for both at the same time. Then we have the Dielectric Grease, which I use on all the electrical components, and I also use this to lubricate O-rings. Then we have the new Permatex Orange thread locker, which is the strength of red thread locker with the removability of blue thread locker. Then of course the right stuff, the only stuff that I use on all of my engines so they don't leak and it looks really good, this stuff right here. Then we have Optimum gray gasket maker, which is the stuff that I use to coat all the headers, manifolds and turbos so they don't leak on any imperfections. We have some black plastic welder. We have some field resistant Gasket in sealant. This is like Hylomar. Then we have red thread locker, blue thread locker, then more of that stuff, and regular thread sealant and other regular thread sealant. Then moving over to this side, we have my favorite purple grease, which is a Ceramics Extreme brake parts lubricant that I use on the brakes, and I also use this on the clutches as well. Then the only thing that I use to lubricate all the engines during assembly, ultra slick engine assembly lube, which I use on everything. And then on all the studs, all the wheel studs that we take on and off drifting all the time, we use copper anti-seize lubricant from Permatex.
Is Dali finished with his artwork? What did you write there? Speed of light. Okay.
And we're back at the shop. Last night we unloaded this huge toolbox. I went from little toolbox to medium toolbox to large toolbox, and now we're gonna have an even bigger workstation. Not a toolbox, but it's gonna be a workstation. That's very important to get all your fabrication done. So let's see what we got outside. So we have this really huge fixturing table, so I can have a really nice welding table like the one we have at the other shop. but this one, it's even bigger. So the guys over at New Era Sheet Metal in Orlando made me this really awesome table. So 6 feet by 3 feet deep, and it's like full depth fixturing table. So I got all the brackets and everything here. It's gonna be really fun putting this together, but it's gonna be even more fun unloading it into the shop. Here it is, all standing in the corner where it's gonna sleep in. So this table is made out of a 1/4 inch P&O steel. It's like really heavy duty stuff. It's all laser cut and everything. Super nice. Just look at all the details. So everything fits like a Lego once you put it together, and then it all has to be welded for assembly. They can actually make these tables in all different sizes and such. So you can get one like this with 6 by 3. You can get 6 by 4, whatever, I don't know. 4 feet wide, you name it. I think they even have like different shape configurations as well. So if you're in need of a welding table or fixturing table for your shop or garage, hit up New Era Sheet Metal and they'll hook you up. I'm not completely sure about the pricing, but they are like really good at pricing, and they'll definitely have one of the best prices in the market and highest quality for these tables. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we did. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Alberto Big Boost here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please note that on the next video, we're gonna have a very special guest that used to be in the videos a very long time ago. Hope you guys can figure out who it is.